when the screen share. Okay. So, yeah. All right. So basically, the problem that we were trying to solve is the fact that like, um, on like online shopping websites, every time you want to search something, let's just say you search like dog bed, right? The issue is that there are way too many choices, and because like we live in like this modern world where there's like a lot of production, there's going to be a lot of brands competing. So you're going to have to make one choice or another, and that's very time consuming. You have to compare everything yourself. So we thought, what if we made a tool for this? The idea was not only are you overwhelmed with choice, something like sometimes you don't want certain items. It's like a little irrelevant. Sometimes price comparison and research are like huge problems. And yeah, so we thought that this tool would be a good way to mitigate all this. So okay, here's our solution. So we have this is our app. We have CSV upload, but we also have like we can generate like these constraints like this as well. As you can see, we have price input, we have ratings, context, and constraints. This helps streamline the search um, the searching process. And then after that, it spits out okay, it spits out suggestions. I don't know if I put like a slide that has it there, but maybe we can show. But yeah, okay. Um, our infrastructure, we used Python as a programming language, and we integrated the Gemini 2.5 API. And then for our front end, we use Streamlit. So yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. So I believe that this has a lot of potential solely because it just cuts down on time. It's a convenience tool, and convenience tools are like basically you can use them honestly everywhere where they're applicable if they're good enough. So we believe that because it simply cuts down on time, and especially because online shopping has become such a big market, you see this with Amazon and like eBay, I believe that this could be a very useful tool. Um, so yeah. Okay. In the future, like obviously this is just a prototype, so we would want to um create better API integration. Maybe stuff with like I don't know. Our current prototype only lists out the product name. It doesn't really like I think it also links it too at now, but it doesn't really point in the right direction. Not really maybe we could have like a few in the future we could have like you could shop from there as well. That would be really nice. We also want deeper analysis. Obviously, we're just using the some Gemini APIs, which could be used normally. So I feel that in the future we could probably refine the prompt a little to be as efficient as possible. Obviously, adding multi-language support is great, and then adding community features. Um, there's also ideas of like maybe we put reviews in the actual like suggestions as well. I think that would be a good idea. All right. So this is a better like the obvious competitor of this is just search it up on Google, but this is much better. The thing with just trying to find products by yourself is that the more keywords you add, the harder it is actually to find your product. There's way more irrelevant results. It's way harder to actually find something. This uses context-aware AI that scrapes the web to find a product, which is always better, pretty much. It always saves time. It's just simply better for searching. Um, and I believe that it's more intuitive as well. You don't have to go to like a lot of different websites to cross-check information. It's all on one website. So it's a better user experience that way as well. 'Cause the team, um, I I helped with some AI improvement, and I also helped with UI UX implementation. The other two people, Halxian, mostly helped with the back end, with especially with the AI integration, and then Devansh mostly helped with the UI integration, as well as he implemented a lot of features. He actually implemented like the constraints feature, and yeah, that's it. Thank
Awesome.
you.
So, give me some background about the problem statement. How did you come up with this problem statement? What was your role in the team? A bit more about that.
Okay. Is it fine if I stop sharing? Or
What?
is it fine if I stop sharing? Or is it
Yeah, yeah, it's fine.
all right? Okay.
After this, we can look at your demonstration. Just a quick one.
All right. Okay. So the problem statement came up. I came up with the problem statement because I was like really tired. Like, okay. Um, it didn't happen recently, but I remember one time, I think it was last year. I was trying to find this one specific laptop stand. Because I do high school debate. Um, I was trying to find this one specific laptop stand. It would be cheap. I could prop my laptop on it so I could stand while speaking to project my voice. The problem is there were a lot of laptop stands that were just like not the one I was looking for. Um, and then we bought one anyway, and it took way too much setup to actually be reliable in an actual round. So we never actually used it for anything. Um, I was just reminded of that, and I was like, wow, that's really annoying. I kind of wish there was a solution. So I guess, yeah, that's kind of where the problem statement originates for me.
Yeah, I mean, the problem is very real. I face this problem almost daily. So, there should be some AI algorithm integrated when shopping. Your problem statement is very real. Okay, so tell me about your team. How was your experience with your team?
Um, okay, so at first we didn't really collaborate. We came up with a lot of separate ideas, but when it came time to put everything together, it became a lot more seamless, in my opinion. Um, because we had like a main GitHub file that we just kept adding on. Well, it wasn't on GitHub, but like we had like a main code file pretty much. So I think it was pretty good. We collaborated a bunch, especially after week one. And then we were able to put together a good product in the end, I think.
Got it. So let's see a quick demonstration of your project. Um,
All right.
yeah,
It's taking a bit to load. I don't know why. This usually doesn't happen.
it's okay.
Okay. Oops. But all right, tell me when it's shared.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So this is like the main. like UI. You can add CSV files here. I don't really have an example CSV right now, so I mean I could make one, but I don't. Okay. But the main idea is that if you have this add a product, you can add like you can add a product, and then let's just say you want I mean I already have one idea. So when you so when you enter in the product name, there's all these other constraints that show up. The price input, you can set one range. You can also set one where there's no limit. Um, and then you can just range like this. You can set the rating. Let's just say I want 4 stars up. Context, I'll say deep debate. And then let's just say we have no constraint. Then we can generate recommendations. Oh, yeah, I have to add the product first. And then we have this in our product list. Then we can generate the recommendations. And then it should generate the best product.
By the time it's loading, let's just talk about the challenges you faced while making the project. What was the biggest challenge?
I'd say the biggest challenge was um honestly it was trying to make the like UI as intuitive as possible. We settled like um our first draft was not the best experience. We didn't have this stars thing. We had instead of this, we had like a slider. It was hard to get precision right. Same with the price input. But another issue was I think the AI prompt was hard to generate as well. Um, it would be okay. They didn't find they didn't find a recommendation, but I guess we could like
Uh,
try different.
let's search something generic like a laptop stand, your example.
I could just try with this and then just
Yeah, let's just try.
yeah. This should be better. But yeah,
Yeah.
so the AI prompt is a little hard to engineer because there would be a lot of times where sometimes it just like hallucinated a product that didn't exist. And I wasn't the one who fixed this. I don't know how they actually fixed this, but yeah. So we have this one. We hit browse. I'm only sharing the tab, so you can't really see, but it's an actual product.
Mhm.
Um, the same with everything else. This one's right. It also shows the rating. It shows why it's good as well.